Hey, let me show you how you can set your own song or sound as your notification on a Samsung A36 5G. As you can see, I'm in the notification settings and I can find custom sound. So I'm going to show you step by step how you can do this. So first of all, you will have to start by opening My Files. In my case, I can find it in the Samsung folder. Just search for this icon and simply open it. Now, you will have to pick up your sound, your music, your song, your favorite sound. So I'm gonna go into audio files, I'm gonna click and hold it, and now you have to move this or copy, this is your choice. I'm gonna copy that sound, select internal storage, and now you have to search for notifications. Find notifications folder, tap on it once, and input your sound right here. And now, when we close this one, we can find that sound by going to the settings, sounds, notification, and as you can see here, we can find our custom sound. That's how you can do this.